Hi everyone. In this video, I will be creating a Canvas app, a sample Canvas app, and start with a page design. And I'm going to choose blank canvas. So once I choose the blank canvas, I will get a screen one with a blank screen in the current Canvas app. So by the time this Canvas app gets ready, I would like to show the communication site here, where I have the list of all the employees and the project. This is my SharePoint list. So I'll go to the PowerApp Studio pack, and I have the screen one. In the screen one, I'm going to insert a gallery, and I will have it as a vertical gallery. Similar kind of thing, which I showed in the previous videos as well. I'll use the same data set. I'll go to the connectors here and I'll connect to the SharePoint and to my site, SharePoint site, and to the list which I have got. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to get the list of project names. So I'm going to also include input text input to basically text input. It will be updated inside the gallery item. Take this as the list of SharePoint items here. So I am going to include a button as well, which is going to act as a save button or a submit button. So I will have this implemented in every part of my gallery. So I will choose inside the gallery, I'm going to include a button for each line. So this button is actually going to do the save operation. So basically it's the edit operation. So display mode will be edit. So once I do this, I'm going to write a patch function. So earlier in my previous video, I have already mentioned about patch function. So patch function is used in gallery also. The major utilization of using patch function is that it's comma the item what I want to modify, that is this item dot project name. This is the item what I want to modify, and I'm going to put the name of the column, that is the project name, is coming from text input one dot txt. So this is the text input one dot txt from where I'm going to get the data that has to be edited inside the gallery. So I'll just keep this as text item. I am getting an error here because of text item dot project name. So just keep this as text item and keep the project name, because this is the item in the gallery where I'm going to edit based on what I'm typing on the text input. So I'll go back to the text input and I'll just remove this part and I'll just keep a blank here. Okay, I'll remove the default value here, CRM, and for this particular item I'll click on save. So at the back end, the data is getting updated. Yeah, so it is updated and you can see the CRM updated here. So once it is updated in gallery, it should also be updated in the backend, that is our SharePoint list. So if I go back to the SharePoint site and just refresh the site, I will be able to see the CRM as the project name for the employee name here with the department IT. So this is how you can update any item in the gallery based on a text input and a save button. So this is about editing item in the gallery. I hope you like this video. For more such videos, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.